Hello guys, there's this app I want to introduce to you, and this app is actually legit and it pays you for having a product or an item on their platform. Alright, the name of the app is 3C Data. Okay, 3C Data is a product, it's a digital product rental platform. Okay, a digital product rental platform for making money. Alright, it has two let me say two phases. Okay, the renters and those that give that owns the product to be list out. All right, users can buy on this platform. Users can buy digital products on the platform and rent them to users who need to rent digital products through the platform, who come to this platform and rent products, okay, that they need. All right, so that's what this platform is. And there are people that owns the product that other users can actually rent. Okay, now for example, now we are the people that owns the product. Now we are going to own a product, and there are users that rent our products that we have on this platform. That's what the platform is for. And yes, of course, it's not free. It's not free. For you to own a product on this platform, you have to purchase the item, you have to purchase the product and own it. Then this platform will rent it out to people that will need the product you purchased. All right, it's just as simple as that. You don't have to stress yourself looking for people that will rent this product. You just have to purchase the product and rent it, and they'll rent it out for you. You will be receiving your commission on your dashboard hour by hour by hour by hour, depending on the product you purchase. All right, so let's go into it now. All right, to access this platform, you just have to go to Google Play Store, Google Play Store, and search for 3C Data. All right, I already have it, 3C Data. Okay, 3C Data. Then click on it and install it on your phone. I already have it on my phone. That's why it's bringing this. That's why it shows open. Now we are going to open the app now. All right, I'm logged on this app. Let me log out so that we can see how the interface is like. All right, so this is it. All right, this is the app. Now when you download the app, the first time you open the app, you're going to get into this. All right, so you're going to get to this particular page. All right, the first thing to do now is to just click on where it says sign up. Go to sign up part and then put in your phone number, your active phone number, your password, very strong password that you will always remember. Then you repeat the password here again, repeat the password here, and then put in your invite code. All right, your invite code here. I'm going to leave my invite code below in the description, and the direct link to actually get through to this 3C Data. All right, now put in the verification code and click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you go back, they'll take you to your dashboard. But for me, I already have my account, so I just have to go to login now and put in my details to log in. All right, so this is my own dashboard. Oh good. So on this platform, you have to deposit to this platform to be able to earn the product, to be able to purchase the product. And the minimum deposit for this platform is 3,000 naira. Now if you want to deposit, just click on this place that says deposit at the top right corner, deposit. Now you see that the deposit amount are ranges here, and if you don't want to pick the automatic selected amount, you can come to this place that says input your amount and then put in the amount you want to buy. All right, put in the amount you want to buy. All right, here put in the amount you want to buy, and you can use bank transfer or use a USD. You can deposit with USD. You can, as you can see here, we have a deposit. The minimum deposit amount is 3,000. okay, so it means that minimum you can deposit the platform is 3,000. All right, you can deposit as much as you have, but the minimum is 3,000. okay, and once you deposit, it will reflect on your dashboard here as your account balance. So okay, as your account balance here. And now once you have your money there, you can now go to where it says product here, all right, and go there and purchase your product that you want them to list out for you. All right, we have two investment package. The first one is categories of investment plan. All right, the first one is ordinary product and then the upgraded product. all right, ordinary product and then the upgraded. Of course, the percentage of earning here in upgraded product is higher than the percentage of earning in ordinary product. All right, so that is it. We have on ordinary product we have 3,000 package, 8,000 package, 20,000 package, 50,000 package, 100,000 package, 300,000 package, and so on. All right, this one that are gray out, you okay, they are not available at this moment. They've already purchased them. People have already purchased this item to be listed out. All right, see, it's actually, this platform is actually working and paying people. All right, what you just do is get the package you want to subscribe or you want to purchase and click on it. For example, let's say we're going to want to purchase that, and we're just going to click on purchase. We're just going to click on this part that says purchase. I already have the item, that's why it shows already purchased, already bought. All right, so once you click on purchase, you already have your money in your account. All right, so it automatically purchase, and right from the time you purchase this, it will be adding your interest, your rental interest will be adding to your dashboard here, and you will be seeing the total revenue here, the total revenue. All right, and then you'll be seeing the account balance, and you'll be seeing the today's earning here. All right, so that's how it works. You don't have to do anything again, just purchase the product and this platform will be listing it out for you. All right, another way you can make money from this platform is to invite people. Just invite and you'll be getting commissions. All right, you'll be getting reward for people that sign up. Okay, so that is it. The summary of this platform is that you invite your friends to join and reward is 700 naira each. That is not compulsory though. You can withdraw, you can earn without inviting. All right, the second is that you can withdraw money without depositing. The team commission is as high as 14%, 5%, and 2%. That is levels of the teams. The first level is 14%, then the second level to the first level is 5%, and the third level to the second level is 2%. Okay, and the sign-up bonus for this platform is 300 naira. Okay, once you sign up, they'll give you 300 naira cash reward. All right, and the minimum deposit amount is 300,000, and the minimum withdrawal amount is 1,800. Okay, if you have any question on this platform that I've already introduced you to, you can drop your comment, you can drop your question in the comment section. I'm going to leave the link to this platform below and my referral code, referral ID, because this platform is a referral ID based platform. If you want to access this platform, if you want to sign up, you have to have your referral code. I'm going to drop my own on the video description. You can fetch it from there and start earning from this platform as well. If you know that this video has already added something to you, kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to see other videos I'll be posting. Alright, thank you so much. Best of lucks.